What is going on, guys? It is a beautiful start to a Saturday. Today is supposed to be sunny and warm. So you guys absolutely killed it in the comments and in the video on the introduction of the shop, and I appreciate every comment. I tried to reply to everyone. Some great feedback, some great comments. Once again, appreciate it, you guys. It's a big step, and I'm loving it. So just and I feel like I have nothing to give right now, just because I can't really work on anything. I am remodeling the whole interior of the house also, along with this, and just trying to get out here just when I can. So, but a lot has happened since the last video, so that's all I can give you, just kind of a quick little update as things come in and I get more situated. The comments, like I said, the ideas and everything were great, so I'm taking into consideration like the air compressor. I do want to box that thing in at some point. Lighting, of course, is going to happen. That's actually what all these fixtures are here. These are all double bulb 4-footers that, like I said, are going to go in all over. And for under counters, I've got these, I think they're Barina from Amazon. They were all recommended for everything. I mean, they're bright, so then that's just gonna go underneath all of the shelves up top here. Here are all the LEDs that around the shop. These are some RGBs that are gonna go into the rafters pointing up at night. This is a motion detection light for the backside. I think this one is a 80 watt. I have some 60 watters that are gonna go on the outside pointing down in the backyard. I've got this 100 watter that's gonna go in the front for say loading up or whatever's out in the front. So that is the LED portion of it. Thing's gonna be bright. Finally hooked up all these shelves, which fit perfectly into this bay right here. They're all mounted solid, starting to get organized here. Now this is what surprised me, because this is pretty much everything I had like in the upper cabinet, still in the toolboxes, and that lower right cabinet. Everything is here. I got all my manuals over here, kind of truck, parts, bins. All my bolts are now kind of slowly starting to get organized, cleaning, everything. So there's some plastics off of, that actually came with my son's Raptor. That was part of the deal. Oh, what else we got? And yeah, because when I picked up those plastics too, the lady also had these 2 beds for the X2. They're brand new beds, and she was just trying to get rid of them. And I mean, she had a whole pile of parts, and it just happened to have an X2 bed. Picked up both of those, so now if anything happens to that one, I'm set. Starting to bring over the last little bits. This thing here, for the logo and everything, this isn't really technically the logo I'm gonna go with, but my sister actually made me this for, or had it made for me for Christmas as a kind of shop welcoming gift, and I'm gonna do some backlighting LED on it and hang it up in the front of the shop in between the bay doors on the back side. Oh, that lighting is terrible. On the back side there. Super excited about that. I mean, it's all metal. It just feels great. The scale was in the house I picked up. I actually threw it away and I brought it back out because if I ever want to weigh tires or anything like that, got it there. Electrical. There's going to be like three ganger switches here because I want everything. I want options. That was another comment where options were exactly what I was looking for, as far as hose reels, extension reels. With the extension reels, I think I'm going to do like a cross member between these, and I mean, probably 2 on both sides by the bay doors and everything. The flooring, I didn't really want to epoxy it. I didn't want to have to worry about it, not scratching or not doing this or not doing that. The bare concrete, it does great with the water. It repels it very nicely, and it's just easy cleanup. So I'm just going to leave it as is. The TV, trying to mount that up. I know a few of you saw this water puddle out here. Everything else drains perfectly. It's just he put in these rocks kind of right here, and it dammed it up just to be able to drive in, kind of like I'm doing there. So that's how they can be channeled out, and I will be connecting the driveways soon. And the last thing that was talked about was adding, the platforms up to the top there to be able to do storage. I'm definitely going to be doing that. But once again, I mean, the stuff I did such, I'm going to say I did such a good job on keeping just the essentials I needed at the old house that I really don't have that much storage. If I didn't use it or I didn't feel like it was salvageable at all, it was gone. If I didn't use it, it was gone. So that's going to be storage wise. I don't think there's room for a lift in here. I mean, I believe it's just 10-foot ceiling. So a lift is not gonna gain me much. I mean, if I got a razor, which my razor's small, and that's just the amount of room from the top there. So, I mean, I could maybe put a razor in long ways and get it up through the rafters here, possibly. What I was gonna kind of try to do, if the wood, I'm not even sure if the wood would hold it yet, but put in a long I-beam through here with an engine, or with a hoist, a chain hoist. I really like the chain hoists. They're quick, simple, they're always right there, they're not in the way, and I can move it then between, because like I said, I want to have 3 bays here, 3 bays along the way. So I'm gonna be working out here for some today. I'll get you some more updates. Once again, appreciate the comments, guys. I appreciate the support. It's coming along very nice. I'm very pleased. So once again, keep it up. Stay tuned. Thank y'all.